Howdy folks, been a while. I'm just getting this finally all done, and hopefully we'll be rid of the code 42, but I do want to give you a heads up. So here's the coil, and here's the heads up for you guys. NGK coil, and there's a problem with these coils, and the problem is that the people that pack them pack the wrong screws. And I talked to someone there and they said it's a problem. So, I didn't take my own advice and I bought this online many moons ago. And so I can't send it back. So anyway, I was very fortunate to be able to finally get a hold of someone at NGK and talk to him. And he told me that this is an issue that they know is ongoing, and that he was nice enough. He said, I think I have a hardware package upstairs in my office. So he went up to his office and called me back, and he had the right screws. And he's going to mail them to me. So, because he said you can't use any other screws, and you can't find these screws in any hardware store. And if you do, you're going to wreck your cap. And so I'm very fortunate that this guy's agreed to send me these screws. So if you're buying this coil, I'd suggest you buy it at the store, open it up, and make sure that the screws that are packed with it are not these machine screws. Like that. You want screws similar to the ones, I don't know if that's going to focus, with the coarse thread. Can't really see that, unfortunately, the old BlackBerry. But you want the coarse, twisty thread. I tried cutting the old ones down, but of course I got them the wrong length and they didn't work. So anyway, that's where I sit right now with this repair job, and I'm hoping that I'll get these screws in the mail. And then I can get this thing back together next week, and I've got the new parts in there. Get it back together next week. Hopefully if that stuff shows up, and my code 42 will be gone. And once that's completed, we'll be on to the dastardly job of taking care of this water switch heater control valve, which I'm not looking forward to, but that's next after this one. Anyway, so that's your heads up on that coil. And I don't know if it's just a U1174. Maybe it's affected a number of them. So look inside and see what you got. Save yourself a lot of headaches. Catch you later.